The 2025 Kia Sorento enters the market with a confident new look and updated features that promise more than just a typical family SUV experience. It's refined, rugged, and ready for just about anything, perfect for both city cruising and weekend getaways. Exterior design. From the outside, the Sorento sports a more aggressive front fascia with a redesigned grille, sleeker LED headlights, and bold lines that give it a more premium and athletic stance. New wheel designs and modern color options further enhance its curb appeal. It's a design that feels modern, yet distinctively Kia. Interior. Inside, the Sorento offers a refined cabin with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-centric layout. The centerpiece is a wide, panoramic curved display that integrates the digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen seamlessly. With available 6 or 7 passenger seating, ample cargo space, and available leather upholstery, the 2025 Sorento brings upscale comfort to the everyday drive. Performance. The 2025 Sorento comes with multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged engine and a hybrid variant for those looking to go green. Smooth handling, available all-wheel drive, and improved ride comfort make it a well-rounded performer on the road. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the Sorento delivers a confident and capable experience. Safety features. Kia's commitment to safety shines through with the latest version of its DriveWise safety suite. Expect features like forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, smart cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new 360-degree camera system. The Sorento keeps you and your passengers protected at every turn. Market position. Positioned between the compact Sportage and the larger Telluride, the 2025 Sorento competes with popular models like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Ford Edge. With its blend of affordability, tech, and upscale design, the Sorento targets families and adventurers who want more value without sacrificing style or features. Outro. The 2025 Kia Sorento is more than just an update, it's a statement. With a bold new look, smart features, and impressive capability, it's ready to shake things up in the midsize SUV segment. If you're shopping for an SUV that does it all, the new Sorento deserves a serious look.